morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about letter K. Letter K is the next letter after letter J, and its sound is K. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? In this picture, we can see a king riding on a horse. A kangaroo is at the back of king. Koala is sleeping on the tree. King, kangaroo, koala are friends of K. Do you know some more friends of K? Good job. Key, kettle, kite, kiwi are some other friends of K. Children, in this lesson, we learned about a kangaroo. Kangaroo lives in a jungle. Do you know? Where does a kangaroo keep his baby? Yes, kangaroo keep his baby in his pouch to keep him safe. How many animals can you see? Right. There are 4 animals: a lion, a giraffe, elephant, and a kangaroo. Let's learn to write letter K. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.